The world of robotics has just taken a massive leap forward, and this time, it's not just about theory or controlled demonstrations, it's about real, sustained performance. Tesla has officially showcased its latest breakthrough. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 completing cooking and cleaning tasks continuously for 22 hours straight. This is not just another tech demo, it's a glimpse into a future where humanoid robots could become a part of our daily lives. For years, people have been skeptical about the practicality of humanoid robots. While previous models could perform short, pre-programmed tasks, they lacked endurance, adaptability, and real-world usefulness. But now, Tesla's Gen 3 bot is changing that narrative. This demonstration wasn't about flashy movements or staged actions. It was about consistency, efficiency, and reliability over an extended period. The 22-hour test was conducted in a simulated home environment, designed to mimic real-life conditions as closely as possible. The robot was tasked with cooking meals, washing dishes, cleaning surfaces, organizing items, and maintaining general household order. These are tasks that require not only physical ability, but also decision-making, adaptability, and precision. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its ability to handle complex cooking tasks. Cooking isn't just about following instructions. It involves timing, temperature control, ingredient handling, and multitasking. The robot demonstrated the ability to prepare multiple meals throughout the day, switching between tasks seamlessly. It could chop vegetables, stir ingredients, monitor cooking progress, and even adjust heat levels when necessary. What makes this achievement even more remarkable is the level of autonomy involved. Unlike earlier robots that required constant supervision or remote control, the Gen 3 bot operated independently for most of the test. It relied on advanced AI systems, including real-time perception and decision-making algorithms, to navigate its environment and complete tasks efficiently. The cleaning aspect of the demonstration was equally impressive. The robot handled dishwashing, surface cleaning, and floor maintenance without interruption. It could identify dirty areas, select appropriate cleaning tools, and execute tasks with precision. Whether it was wiping countertops or loading a dishwasher, the bot performed each action with consistency and accuracy. Endurance has always been a major challenge in robotics, especially for humanoid designs. Maintaining performance over long periods requires efficient power management, durable hardware, and optimized software. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 addressed all these challenges, completing the 22-hour session without significant performance degradation. Another key factor in this achievement is the robot's improved dexterity. Handling everyday objects like utensils, plates, and cleaning tools requires fine motor skills that are difficult to replicate in machines. Tesla has made significant advancements in this area, allowing the bot to manipulate objects with a level of precision that closely resembles human capability. The AI system powering the Tesla Bot Gen 3 plays a crucial role in its success. Built on the same foundational technology used in Tesla's autonomous driving systems, the robot uses neural networks to understand and interact with its environment. It can recognize objects, predict outcomes, and make decisions in real time. This level of intelligence allows the robot to adapt to unexpected situations. For example, if an ingredient is missing or a tool is misplaced, the bot can adjust its approach and continue the task without failure. This adaptability is essential for real-world applications, where conditions are rarely perfect. The demonstration also highlighted the robot's ability to learn from experience. Over the course of the 22-hour test, the bot improved its efficiency, reducing errors and optimizing task execution. This continuous learning capability is a major step toward creating robots that can truly integrate into human environments. Safety is another critical aspect of humanoid robotics, and Tesla has placed a strong emphasis on this area. The Gen 3 bot is equipped with advanced sensors and control systems that allow it to operate safely around humans. It can detect obstacles, avoid collisions, and adjust its movements to prevent accidents. In addition to physical safety, the robot's software includes safeguards to ensure reliable operation. Redundant systems and real-time monitoring help prevent failures and maintain performance. This level of reliability is essential for any technology intended for everyday use. The implications of this breakthrough are significant. A robot capable of handling household tasks for extended periods could transform the way we live. It could reduce the burden of daily chores, improve productivity, and provide assistance to people who need it most. For example, elderly individuals or people with disabilities could benefit greatly from having a robot assistant. Tasks that are physically demanding or time-consuming could be handled by the robot, allowing users to focus on other aspects of their lives. The commercial potential of the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is also enormous. As the technology continues to improve, it could become a standard feature in HOAs, MES, similar to appliances like washing machines or refrigerators. Businesses could also use such robots to automate routine tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. However, it's important to recognize that this is just the beginning. While the 22-hour demonstration is a major milestone, there are still challenges to overcome. Scalability, affordability, and widespread adoption will require further development and refinement. One of the key challenges is cost. Advanced robotics technology is still expensive, and making it accessible to the average consumer will be a significant hurdle. Tesla will need to focus on reducing production costs while maintaining performance and reliability. Another challenge is public perception. While many people are excited about the potential of humanoid robots, others are cautious or even skeptical. Building trust in this technology will be essential for its success. Despite these challenges, the progress demonstrated by the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is undeniable. It represents a major step forward in the field of robotics and brings us closer to a future where intelligent machines are an integral part of our lives. The 22-hour cooking and cleaning demonstration is more than just a technical achievement. It's a statement about what's possible. It shows that humanoid robots are no longer confined to research labs or limited demonstrations. They are becoming capable, reliable, and practical tools for everyday use. In the coming years, we may see robots that can handle not just household chores, but also more complex activities such as caregiving, education, and even creative work. The possibilities are virtually limitless. For now, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 stands as a powerful example of what can be achieved when cutting-edge technology meets real-world application. Its ability to manage cooking and cleaning for 22 hours straight is a clear indication that the future of robotics is closer than we think. This breakthrough is not just about convenience. It's about redefining the relationship between humans and machines. As robots become more capable and integrated into our lives, they have the potential to enhance our productivity, improve our quality of life, and open up new opportunities. The journey is far from over, but one thing is certain. The era of practical humanoid robots has begun, and with innovations like the Tesla Bot Gen 3, the future is looking more exciting than ever.